Morning. Brooklyn Nomad here. Back on the doggone compound. We got to continue building, guys. Hey, as always, please hit that like, share, subscribe button. You know, of course, you're nothing to knock it down. So, I'm not promoting it, but I do promote it. I got on with me today the actual 360. It's around my neck. I'm going to try something different. I'm going to try to double film, see how it goes, see which one gives me the better footage. Plus it's hands-free, so it's around my neck. This ain't no rope chain, no gold chain. It's actually around my neck, and that's how I'm gonna rock that today. But while we out here, what I want to show you is I am back, boots on the ground. And like for all of you guys that's been following the channel and you new subscribers, welcome. It's time to get back to this build. So we had to shift gears. I just did a video where we was doing the road and everything. And since they did half of the road is cut off. I can't get no supplies down here, guys. That's my dilemma. I can't get no supplies down here. So we shifted gears. And since I can't get my doggone gravel and I got zero sand, I got the hollow block right there. But because we don't have the supplies at this time, what I'm showing you is we shifted gears. These guys are back on dirt, and these three pieces of wood you see right here. This is what they're gonna use to tamper it to make everything level. So since we don't get no supplies, they're going ahead, they're gonna tamper all of this down to get it leveled. And then when I do get my gravel, the gravel goes on with the rebar, you know, to make it strong. And then they're gonna bring the concrete in, and then I'll be filming my floors, you know, because everybody want to see a doggone floor. I know y'all getting tired of watching this damn mud, right? So we're gonna do the doggone floors. Also, let me move the camera here. Since it's my first time using this 360. Also, what we got going on. So we got guys that's actually bringing dirt inside. My carpenter Jeffrey over there, his crew is doing the tampering while the other guys is bringing the dirt. From my understanding, the roof is supposed to go up today. You know, they're supposed to start working on the roof. But what we talking about, just like it says in the description, they're doing the plumbing today, guys. So they're gonna start, there you go. They're gonna start doing the doggone plumbing. All right. I'm back again, another day. It's going on. Brooklyn Nomad Travels, house build, roof build, guys. Hey, always hit that like, share, and subscribe. You know, support the channel. Cost you nothing. If you're a new subscriber, when you hit subscribe, tell us where you're from. So today, another good day, man. I got a lot of projects going on at the same time. I'm doing multiple videos all at the same time. 5 videos at the same time. And this video is what I've been waiting for, guys. All right, as I take you guys over here, we got my master carpenter Jeffrey, and the guys that just arrived is normally, hey, those are my roof guys. So the roof is gonna take place today. I'm excited. Like I told y'all before in the other videos, the roof is going up today. The house is being, the floors is being done today. The plumbing is being done today. But this video is all about the roof, guys. So we're gonna focus only on the roof. That's what's going on. So let's get into it. So as y'all see, what we got going on is Miss Bella got the roof design. She's showing them how she want the roof made. So they're going over it, and they're all talking for Saya.
Sige lang, ako na na-focus. Doon na lang ako na.
Nope, sorry, can't get it.
Habit na lang ikaw na. Audi ka na. Lami na, cladding na lang ipabutang ninyo na.
Pukon.
Kadtong kan baka expand rail. Pwede nindot at tanahon. Di pa na malatak.
Pukon.
Nakuhaan ni Hurok doon na. Hangin naman nagamay
Yeah.
ba? Kasi kita kawan na. Nya kung habugon pa nang pinto sana. Pagtimbatian at tanahon. Kaya kung malukog na siya, dapat di lang nato kayo. Isa 2 metro sa ang kuha niya. Tanahon ako lang. Sa Pindulon. Sige, ako lang ng kanon. Ang likodan na, dili nga na.
Bali na.
Kanina dire. O dito po.
What's the question? What's the question?
Player na atbang sa likod.
What? I think so. Okay. However the design of the roof goes, I just want to be able to put, at the end of the day, solar power panels. So I just need to face the sun. Sun is from here, come to this way. Yeah. Do you translate that? If you understand? Yeah.
Basta lang ko na mabutang kuha sila pan.
Ay, oo.
Yeah.
Kanak berginan.
Mo na yan sign ko yung pan
Oh, sige, mao na lang.
Yeah.
Susunod lang naman.
maora gyapon sa loyo ya.
Yeah. So let him know if he have to modify it because he's the subject matter expert. I'm okay with that.
Okay, kaya okay rin.
Kaya ra?
Bisa usang klase kuan.
Senior nga kuan kada kana mo magi ka to.
Simple
Kuan
lang
sa
yun ang
mga
trabaho.
kuan. Kamara mo sa mga
Para
bagay.
mao na nang kuan ha. Gikan dire. Mudagan lang kung 2 metros, mao na nabutang ang anak bungbong. Di kay kana. Duol lang mga sa
Di ka sabihin.
Gikan dire, sa bulada na niya.
Abalada na niya.
Mudagan ko ang atong anggol ba may bisag. Yan na lang kung mugunting usab dire kay mudagan mo man na sa metros dire ang bulada. Mugunting ko ana oh.
Kaya bahala.
Okay, okay. Asa mao po napikas ha.
So as you see, these guys had to get into it. They had to make sure that we was all on the same page for doing the roof. And this is where it all starts. So we're gonna get some power, and these guys are gonna start cutting and doing what they gotta do to make this doggone roof. I'm so excited, guys. So this is the afternoon, and I'm bringing you over here because Jeffrey got some of his guys is already, leveling the ground, making everything good, right? And this is their snack time. This guy right here look like he got a hump on his back. What they do is they put towels there because they're carrying buckets and buckets of dirt back and forth like a million times, man. So I got duck up under here. See right here? So basically, I got buckets of dirt. This is all the stuff that's for the roof, but this, what I'm showing you guys right now, this is inside the living room. All this red on the ground. This is for my what you call those games? Not the archway. I'm having a brain freeze. I forgot what it is. But basically, the headers. I'll get the right name, put it in there later. But they're doing the archways, everything for the roof. So I'm excited about the roof. This is actually the front of the house. This is phase 1 they got going on. This is where they are. So yeah, there's gonna be phases. They said the roof is gonna take roughly 3 weeks. As if you can look close right there, I know my camera is not capturing the way I want it to, but they are welding. They're doing welding all up on here, guys. So they gotta weld all of this, the whole house, and the new dimensions of the house, just so y'all know, is actually, yeah, I changed the plans again. The new dimensions is 30 going this way to this way, counting the doggone terrace. Instead of 34, it is now 42 all the way to the end of the bathroom and the whole square. That's the new dimensions of the house. Roughly, with the bump out, it comes out to like 1,474 feet. So that's what the house is. But I'm staying on my $20,000 budget for you guys. And I'm going to give you the numbers on what I spent so far, the roof, the dirt, and the doggone house itself at the end of the video. So stay tuned. I'm going to give you the numbers on how much money I've spent so far. So the gentleman stopped tampering, and what they're doing now is they're taking all the wood down. So that's a good day too. So all of this wood must come down, and then they're gonna finish with the tampering. and get everything floor leveled. Now, once all that happens, there's another step to it that y'all see on another video. It's gonna be the gravel and the rebar. So Jeffrey's gonna lay that down, and when he lays that down, then it's gonna turn around, and I'm gonna get the electricians in. So we're gonna have electrician bill coming up soon. I like this, man. He's just balancing on some beams. Got to be careful. One wrong turn, and he's coming down. This other man is bringing in all the good material. As you see, the dirt guys are still doing their thing. But this is all about the roof bill, guys. Alright guys, take a look at this. They brought the wood down. Look at that. It is starting to look like a doggone house now because you ain't got all the wood here, right? I must tell you, I'll give y'all a sneak peek again. The trusses up there, man. You know, like I said, this is about the tampering and everything and making the ground solid. But I'm gonna tell you guys, when I looked up at lunchtime and I seen this up here, I had a warm feeling come to my heart. Let me tell you why. I had a warm feeling come to my heart, and I'm gonna tell you why. It's because I'm accomplishing, this is the third house that I'm building from scratch. And out of the two out of the three houses, this house here, I'm building pennies on the dollar. And when I say pennies on the dollar to you guys, I'm not saying that I'm building it on the cheap. What my pennies on the dollar is that I'm using my own money, if that makes sense to you guys. I'm using my own money. I'm retired, so there is no check coming in. Okay? There's no, the man gotta pay me every 2 weeks. This is mine and just the money that I have. When it's gone, it's gone. But I'm actually building this, as y'all been following me, from the ground up. And I'm super excited to see this thing come together. And I'm waiting to see it finish. So guys, definitely stay with me on these videos, and let's finish these houses together because I'm super excited. I really am, guys.
Okay guys, after lunch, we got the first trusses installed. And now, they working the second trusses. So this guy works so fast. Yeah, there you go.
Dapat vertical tunggu ya nak.
All right, guys. So day 3, they are priming the trusses. You have to prime it so it don't rust. They're getting ready. And this is day 3 of the roof build. Get down these steps and don't fall. Let me show you guys what they did so far. And I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm super excited. When the roof started going up, this is when I know that the house is really coming together. Because out of the 20K, now we're going on the back end. So check this out. So we got 1, 2, 3, and if you can see it on the camera, number 4. We got 4 trusses that's up. They're gonna put one more right here. Another one goes on the back side of the house. And then when they put the side railings on and all that other good stuff, hey, the roof is there, man. The roof is gonna be there. So I'm super excited. I'm very happy with this so far. And I can't wait to see the doggone, what you call it? The zinc, as they call it. Go up on top. Day number 4. All the trusses is up. They got the roof guys up here. And they're checking out on the zinc. Put the top on. I'm going with a chocolate cover, zinc. See how y'all like that. But this is it, guys. They're getting this thing done. They're making it. Let me go to the porch. Let me show you these guys. See that? These guys are doing the measurements and everything. They're getting ready, discussing what they need to do. So I'm super excited, as I said before, 100% excited. All right, guys, I told you I was going to tell y'all the price of the roof. So this is what the roof cost me. The total roof cost me $3,961. I know I also mentioned about the house, what I spent so far. That's $5,200. And for 4 tons of dirt came out to $482. But the roof, that's what I'm excited about, guys. This roof, to put on this roof, and the measurements for the roof, because it has an overhang. So the roof is actually 34 square feet by 46 square feet. And like I said, that came out to $3,961, guys, which is also 228,530 pesos. That's what I had to pay for the roof to put on the house. And again, I hope this video been informative for you guys. Brooklyn Nomad Travels. Hey, travel with me, guys. Why don't you come and build with me, guys? Let's keep these videos going. Until we meet again, Brooklyn Nomad is out.